Hi guys, you know that you can make money with your camera whether you are a beginner or you are into the business of photography. This is what this video is all about today. I'm going to be giving you key strategies of what you must do and what you must do, and they are simple for you to start making money with your photography. Like you are just starting out, this will give you more. So stay tuned and watch the video because it's something you don't want to miss. On this channel, I talk about photography tips and tricks on how you can perfect and master your photography business career. If that is what you want, consider subscribing to this channel. Subscription button is right below this video because I'm just building this channel, and you subscribing is the only way that YouTube take this video out and take this channel out to more people to subscribe. So click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a content, you will also get notice of my new video. First thing I really want you to know is that you can start making money with your camera when shooting birthdays of your friends and siblings. You know, when you are just starting out as a beginner photographer, it means that you don't have much clients. More people have not known you, and you are just starting out. Because the only way, you can make this money, the only way you can make people to know you of what you do and what you are known for, is start shooting the birthdays of your friends and families. It means that the money that will come might not be much compared to what you are expecting. But bro, you are just starting out, and this is how you can build your portfolio. This is how you can build your platform because you are just starting out, and this is how you can build your portfolio and platform for people to know you of what you do. You know, you can talk to your siblings or friends that you shoot their birthday on a discounted prices, and they will love it because you are good in what you do. And by posting this, you'll be attracting clients. Customers will be coming to you as time goes on. Okay. The second one I'll be talking about is you doing food photography in your area. You can be working with those good restaurants, in your area that you be photographing their food products. Because I believe even almost all businesses of today post their product on social media. So you can talk to any of those restaurants within your area of where you are staying that you will be taking those products of their food. And when definitely when you take those pictures, try to give them the best, okay, of your work, because when they are posting it, other people will also book you for what you are doing. This is the second thing that you will do and will also get you money as a beginner photographer, because the truth is that when you are with the camera and you're just starting out, more people do not know you, so you are the one that will do the just work out and just do this simple stuff that will put those money into your pocket, and that will also get more people to know you for once. And the next one I'm going to be talking about on how you can make money with your camera when starting out as a beginner photographer is, please, you can work with event planners in your area, in your locality. Work with event planners that are just starting out. Event planners, they are event planners that are just starting out, that don't have much followers on their page. You can also do that by going through their Instagram pages or their other platforms and know the type of follower, because the truth is that when you're just starting out and you also do not have much followers and you don't have much followers on your page, you cannot be working with those big event planners that have millions of followers. You can all you The only way you can also work is to work with the smaller event planners that are also coming up as you also, because when you talk to them, discuss your business and what you want to achieve or what you would like to give them, okay, they will definitely have interest in what you are doing, because they're also starting out, and they also need pictures on their platforms as well. So this is the one thing that will make you get money into your pocket as a beginner photographer. The next one that will also get you money as a beginner photographer is when you're offering your services to corporate organization or businesses. I know in every organization, in every offices, there are corporate persons that need headshot. So you can also make your way to those corporate organizations through their marketing agency. This is how you can get to those places. If you know how you can contact or get to the marketing agency through their online platform, discuss your business and what you will like to offer their companies or their organization. And by so doing, they will hire you, because I believe you are good before you step out with your camera to any of those places. And when you are posting their work, surprisingly, other people might just be booking you because of the good work you are posting on your platform. This is one thing that will put money into your pocket as a beginner photographer. So guys, you are finding this video interesting, please consider subscribing to this channel. The subscription button is right below this video. This is the only way you can help me grow this channel for other people to also watch this video and get better out of this video. Okay. And the next thing which I think it will be my last for today on how you can make money as a beginner photographer is, please, I want you to work with a professional photographer. Because when you are just starting out, the truth is that you are just starting, you don't know much people do not know you as well. So getting clients is not always easy as you think, but doing all this will give you that money. And lastly, working a professional photographer also will give you that money. You are not only working with him as a second shooter, but you are also having experience on how, on the technical skill, on also how to relate with your customers. You working with a professional photographer as a second shooter, whether in a studio or on the event space, is something that will put money into your pocket as a beginner photographer. I think guys, this video has been so helpful to you. So subscribe to this channel and click on the notification of this channel so that you will get noticed whenever I drop a content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.